So we are done with our finals.
Empaka zihenderera hari King's College Bodo muri Kampala kuzigire kwa Parental Care School Bushenyi erangirirwe kubesinjira ihanga ryona.
The most important thing that I bring from Parliament is assurance to the National Debate Council that we shall keep on collaborating with you, and like you've already mentioned, come next financial year, I think we should start moving together into the regions, just like we do with the Youth Parliament.
According to the research done in 2018 by Gladys N, the forest cover has reduced from 24% of the land area of Uganda in the 1990s to 9% at present. You, the young people who are to be in charge of the council tomorrow, are very much in great danger. You need to start now to transform your own environment.
We have cash awards. So all teams who have won, all individuals, all coaches who have stood out are getting cash awards this year.
Ogubire guri murundo gwa kabiri Eishomero rya Parental Care Bushenyi rukusinga amashomero gona kandi nyumwa abazyo risingire rya Mbarara Municipal School ahaza kamaririzo.
Here at the national speech and debate competitions for juniors, and I'm really proud because our school Parental Care has won the finals for the second time.
And you are the first runners up. It is actually a delight that we managed to reach the finals because it was our first time to actually face the nationals at the NDC, but then we were also the best new school.
And I feel so happy that our team is the very team which has made Parental Care the champions of this national debate championships, simply because this was my first tournament, this was my first debate tournament.
Mbarara Municipal School kwasire umwanya gwa kabiri, Bright Gurama Primary School Masaka ebire ya kashatu, kandi hat Parental Care Bushenyi etorinwe kujwekera Uganda harengo rwa Africa omuri South Africa umwaka gurukwija.
Congratulations to you.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Michael atwakire.